Hi everyone, have you ever drawn a scene in perspective like a long road and wondered how to draw street lamps equidistant from each other going into space? Well, we're going to cover exactly just that in this tutorial. Let us first draw a scene, a simple road going into space. So let's first get the horizon line and vanishing point down. For the sake of the tutorial, let's have this line represent a street lamp, or it could be a signage or something. We connect the bottom and the top of the street lamp to the vanishing point. We also find the center of the street lamp and connect that to the vanishing point. For the second street lamp, let's place it right over there. Here's where the fun begins. Draw a line from the top of the first street lamp passing through the second street lamp's middle point. From that new mark on the ground, shoot a line up, and that is where your third street lamp should be. Repeat the steps until you fill in the required amount of street lamps you need. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this simple method helps. You're on the Alvin Art channel. Until the next one, ciao ciao.